Place the canard on the bumper at the embossment under the lamp. Place the canard so that its shape matches the embossment line on the bumper. The canard should be placed so that the embossment line is visible from the bottom of the canard. Align the canards on both sides of the bumper. The distance of the canards to the grille and to the lamp line should be the same on both sides of the bumper. We recommend measuring the distance so that the applied tape measure indicates the distance straight ahead from the canards. After positioning and aligning the canards, use masking tape to mark outline of the canards on T-bumper. This should be done carefully so that you can accurately determine their final position later on. Important: the place where the canards are mounted should be very thoroughly cleaned, degreased, and if there is a PPF film or ceramic coating on the car, a piece of the film or coating should be removed. Remove small pieces of protective film from the double-sided tape placed on the canards and bend them outwards. Using a heater, gently warm up the surface where the canards are mounted, being careful not to damage the surface. Place the canards on the bumper according to the masking tape markings. Remember to tilt the protective film of the double-sided tape outwards. Once the canards are in place, press them against the bumper. Then, remove the masking tape. Remove the protective film from the double-sided tape and press the canards against the bumper. To make the glue bond better, you can lightly heat the canards with a heater, but this should be done carefully. Done.